versus pinagtipunan, leave it to me, Pinay Pero, what the outside, Pinay Pero running by the leave it to me, moving up Mr. Noble Guantanamera, then followed by Pinagtipunan, Bite Midas comes next, Real Flames, Double Rock, Kundiman, and trailing the group is Played Safe, leave it to me, Pinay Pero in the middle of the outside, Mr. Noble, Guantanamera is racing in forward. Pinagtipunan is running by the Fib. Bite Midas comes next. Real Flames, Double Rock, Kundiman, and Played Safe is still racing in last with Leave It To Me by Amaralek Canarias, and is Pinay Pero. Mr. Noble is very close third, and followed by Pinagtipunan. Guantanamera the outside, alongside comes Bite Midas, Real Flames, Double Rock, Kundiman, and Played Safe. And it's still Leave It To Me, Pinay Pero batting out for the leader. Mr. Noble trying to get closer in third together with Guantanamera. Bite Midas, Pinagtipunan, and Real Flames. Pinay Pero, Guantanamera. Bite Midas moving about the outside. Pinay Pero, Bite Midas, Guantanamera in the middle as they come out of the last of the day. Bite Midas, Guantanamera is running by the Pinay Pero. Bite Midas, Guantanamera is running by the Bite Midas, Guantanamera, but it's still Bite Midas, and finally it's Bite Midas, Guantanamera. Then comes Pinagtipunan, Real Flames, close Pinay Pero, Mr. Noble, Kundiman, Played Safe, Leave It To Me, 2, that's Double Rock.
Okay, exciting race. To the end, hanggang sa dulo nagbanatan si Bite My Dust and Guant.